So, pag-aaralan natin ngayon is inverse hyperbolic function. So, dito sa left is nakasulat yung mga equivalent ng inverse hyperbolic function ng sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So, para maintindihan natin, magta-try tayo ng mga practice problem. So, first is y equals cosine, hyperbolic cosine 2x. So, paano ba natin ito isa-solve? First, titignan natin kung alin yung gagamitin natin formula. So, in this case, ito yung gagamitin natin yung formula. So, isa-substitute lang naman natin yan. Okay, so 1 over the square root of yung u natin is equal to 2x squared minus 1 times derivative or yung u prime is 2, so times 2. So from here, isi-simplify na lang natin yan. So yung magiging sagot natin dyan is y prime is equals to 2 over square root of 4x squared minus 1. So ito na yung ating final answer. Para mas madali natin ito matutunan, mag-try tayo ng iba pang mga problems. So ito, y equals hyperbolic tan 3x. Again, hanapin lang natin kung ano yung formula na gagamitin natin, which is in this case, ito yung gagamitin natin. Y prime is equals to 1 over 1 minus u. Yung u natin dito is equals to 3x squared times d over dx or yung ating u prime, which in this case is 3. So again, isi-simplify lang natin and makuha na natin yung ating final answer, which is 3 over 1 minus 9x squared. So wala na siya kadali. Okay. Last example. Ito medyo kakaiba. Yung y equals hyperbolic cosecant 1x squared. So again, hanapin na natin kung alin yung formula na gagamitin natin, which is in this case is ito yung last. So y prime is equals to 1 over absolute value of u. Yung u natin dito is equal to x squared, so x squared square root of 1 plus u squared. U squared natin is x squared times d over dx or yung u prime 2x. So simplify na lang natin to para makuha natin yung ating final answer. So y prime is equals to 2x over x squared times the square root of 1 plus x to the power of 4. And dahil pwede pa natin siya i-simplify by cancelling x from the numerator and the denominator, ito yung ating final answer is 2 over x times 1 plus x to the power of 4. So ito yung ating final answer. Okay.